As a pro remodeler, completing insulation jobs efficiently, on time, and with the right materials is critical. You're often faced with a choice: to use fiberglass insulation rolls or pre-cut bats. Rolls can be used for longer or unique sized cavities, but pre-cut bats make installations easier, faster, and more efficient than ever before. And pre-cut bats come in 8 and 9 foot lengths to fit the most common framing cavities. After the package has been cut open, the bats will expand to their full size. Without extra measuring and cutting, you can quickly install the bats into the wall, ceiling, floor, or attic cavities, saving you a significant amount of time versus using rolls. Bats have up to 44% less packaging than rolls, making cleanup easy and reducing the waste going to landfills. Bats can also save significant costs on transportation and storage. With pre-cut bats, you can load or stock up to 43% more insulation in your trucks or your warehouse compared to rolls. More insulation on hand means fewer trips to and from the job site. With more efficient installations, minimal waste, and maximum truck or warehouse storage, pre-cut bats are the perfect choice for your next insulation project, saving you time and money without sacrificing quality.